We are with the main man, Richard.
Yes.
Who looks after the whole Martin Knezevic Cup. So, Richard, how long have you been involved with the Cup for now?
The Zagreb club I've been pretty much my whole life as a kid, and then went on a bit of a football journey, and then after I retired I returned back to the club, and I've been here ever since.
Nice. So, for people that don't know, why was the Martin Knezevic Cup created?
Well, Martin Knezevic, if he was alive, would be around 50 years old now, tad over 50. He was a mate of ours. He was a Zagreb junior. He was a mate of ours, and back in the mid-90s, he had a heart attack on a soccer away trip with the boys, and so he was a good mate to a lot of us. And Persa Zagreb, a year after, we came together and we decided to create an event in his name, and we're still going. 27 years I think it is now. We're still going strong. It's been for a long time at Cars Park back in the St George area where we're from, but our park last year wasn't available, so we reached out to our good friends here at Warrington, Croatia, and the Bosna club, and they were so happy to accommodate us with this event. And as you can see, this is the second year the whole Croatian community and even other communities come and join in, and it's a great day. Like, there's so much great football, great food, drink, music. It's fantastic.
So many festivities.
It is. Yeah. There is. It's awesome.
And it's good because he brings us all together.
It does. That's the main thing. Like, there's three Croatian entities here, bringing the whole community, working so well together, and bringing the whole community together. It's fantastic, and we're so proud of this event, and very honoured to be a part of it, and very happy that the other clubs were willing to participate and join in and make this event what it is today.
100%, and it's also keeping and honouring him and keeping his memory alive.
Absolutely. To this day, his parents and his family still come and join in, and it's fantastic for them to see the community, honour his name, and he was just a normal bloke, a normal friend of ours, and just loved his football and got taken away from us way too early. So it's a great event, and we love it.
Right, now the big question of all time: secretly, who do you want to win today?
Yeah.
I'll be totally honest with you. I don't have a preferred winner, because I know people in all of these divisions and all of these age groups. My sole focus is with these lovely guys here at the desk as well, just to keep the event running, make sure everything runs smoothly, everyone's eating, drinking, having a great day. That's all I'm worried about. But I'll let the football take care of itself.
You're a diplomatic answer, we like it. Thank you very much for your time, my friend.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for a great day.
Thank you for coming down, guys. Thank you.
Pleasure.
Awesome.
Thanks, mate.